Follow along for this easy holiday craft. To make your own, you need a pair of wool gloves, iron-on material, your Cricut cutting machine, an iron, and Cricut cutting tools. If you do not own a cutting machine, the design can be cut by hand. I chose to use a simple snowman for my gloves. Using my cutting machine, I cut out the design for the back of the gloves. Using my iron, I added one snowman to the back of each glove. This is a great beginner's craft to try with your friends and family this holiday season. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.